when we talk about chemical process engineering plant design, especially, that is my expertise and what I teach for students, graduates, and engineers, plant design jobs are the first ones to end, because without investment, companies will not keep with the employees, so because of that, most often we are fired. And they are the last one to return to the economy, because first the production is decreased, and the first thing that happens when the economy increases is to increase production. So production engineers most often has more opportunities in this way, and also the efficiency engineers, people that deals with increasing the KPIs, cost reduction, and later on you will have jobs for plant design. And that's why most often the plant design jobs pays more for chemical process engineers, because we have more risks associated with uncertainties of the economy. If you are in a plant, you have most often 24 hours of production during 7 days per week, 365 days per year, without discounting the shutdown for maintenance. And this is more or less a stable job. In plant design, no, we have job from project to project. If the company do not have project, most often they don't need employees, or they think that they don't need employees, and in fact, only a very small group eventually will be kept in the company. But the point is, the risks are better. No project, the chances to be fired increases. A lot of projects, less people available with expertise in plant design, we need to pay high salaries to keep them from other companies, or to not lose them to others design companies.